down here in Woodinville, Washington. Got the bird games going on here. There are dozens and dozens of them. I've been watching them for like the last 15 minutes or something, circling the tractor and dive bombing the front wheels. See the wheels there. Those wheels are 24 inches wide. Rear wheels on this tractor are 4 feet wide, turf tires. Anyway, I see constant barrage of birds here. Fan out a little bit. Zoom in on the wheel. Flip it past. I did another video where I could stop frame it a little bit. That was pretty cool. Check out my other videos. Bird games happen weekly lately. Maybe daily. Sometimes you don't see it for a while. Anyway, pan out a little bit. Sammamish River in front of me. Behind those tall poplar trees. Woodinville Wine District down there, they're building like crazy. A little smart city of its own out in the country. A few miles from the downtown. A couple miles or so. Anyway, kind of a nice cloudy, cooler day here in mid-August. Thanks for watching. Take care.